Hello guys, today we learn that how to edit in cut list extracted bomb. So for this we have to create a weldment part first, which I have already created. So now we will open the drawing with this part. Then we will insert the weldment cut list from here, as you can see. Okay, now if you want to change the description here, you cannot change now. Same method with quantity, you cannot change. If you want to change the value of quantity or description or length, how will you change it? You have to click on column that you want to change, then you will click on user defined, give the column name. Okay, now you can change easily whatever you want to change. Okay, same method you can use with the description. Okay, and same method you can use with length column. Okay guys, like this you can change the description, quantity and length value in cut list. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.